какое настроение? У тебя сегодня хорошее настроение? She is a good doctor. The doctor is very kind. Она хороший доктор. Доктор очень добрый.
Okay. Let's just talk about something. What mood do you have today?
I have a good mood.
And what do you like to do in your free time?
I like to read, and I like to rest, and I like to walk on the street.
What else?
I like to drink of tea.
To drink?
Yeah, I like to drink tea.
What do you do every day?
Every day I go to the kindergarten with my children, and I clean my house, and I sleep sometimes, and I read my book, my English book, and I study English every day.
And
Every day.
do you like to study English?
Yes, I like to study English.
Do you like to read books?
Yes, I like to read books.
How often do you read books?
I read books almost every day.
Almost every day. English books or all books?
English book.
English books. And what is your favorite book?
My favorite book is The Invisible Man because this is my first book, English book.
Okay, very nice. How often do you swim? And
I don't do sport. Я не занимаюсь спортом.
Why?
Because I don't have free time.
Why don't you have free time?
Because now my younger daughter is sick, and we sit at home, so I don't do sport.
How do you treat her? How do you treat her?
I give her some pills, and I give her a warm tea, warm water with lemon or with honey.
What do you usually do when you have a flu or a cold?